Hey guys, this is Gabe from Donley Ford of Mount Vernon. Here I have our 2022 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, and here's are my reasons why this should be your next SUV. Let's start with the exterior appearance. You have this beautiful deep sea blue, metallic, have these wonderful wheels here, those R19s, and look at this interior. Nice black leather interior, super sharp. Speaking of the interior on it, it has a nice beautiful display here. Heated and cooled seats for the driver and passenger, heated steering wheel, dual climate control, navigation, all your safety features, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, a nice panoramic sunroof, all the essentials that you need for your next vehicle. Also, as I mentioned, this is a hybrid, so you're going to be getting 37 miles per gallon in the city, 36 on the highway, and it's all-wheel drive, so it's perfect for the wintertime. And finally, this is one of the coolest features I've ever seen on any vehicles. It's as simple as locking the vehicle, turning it on, and then the vehicle will drive itself as simply as pressing the button on the key. And you can move that forward, or you can move the vehicle backwards. Guys, and you get this wonderful package with only 33,000 miles on it for right around $29,000. So this is the perfect SUV for you. Stop in, discover the Donley difference.